Hi, and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today's a big day. My grandson is turning 9, and he has gotten so into basketball, and specifically the Detroit Pistons, because one of our dear friends, his dad, my son, grew up with him, and my daughter, they all grew up together, and he is playing for the Detroit Pistons. So he's really into that. I've been following him and watching basketball and everything. So he wanted a Detroit Pistons themed party. So that is what we're doing. So I just took a second, put myself together. I've got to run to Costco and get the pizzas. And I think we've got everything pretty much set up. But we're going to bring you along so you can just join in with us and see how we party and how we celebrate. I have a few things that I do every time there's a birthday. One is our yard sign out in the front yard. We always display that all day long, just celebrating whoever's birthday. And then we always have a theme. We always have some type of a theme. So today's the Detroit Pistons basketball for Tadeo, but we always have a theme. Depending on the time of the year, we either do inside, like a big dinner at the big table and everything, and with whatever the theme is, whoever it is. Today we're going to be outside. It's a beautiful day. It's in the 70s here in Arizona, and it's a beautiful day. So we're just going to play basketball, hang out, you know, maybe do some water balloons. I don't know if it's going to be too chilly later or not, but we're just going to have fun and celebrate, and just celebrate the person. That's my biggest tip when you're, you know, whether it's a big party or just a small, you know, intimate, you know, fun gathering, is focus on the person and what their interest is, and creating that that theme of what it's going to be, and it just be what they love and all about them. So that's what we're going to do. So let's get on in it.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong.
Whose birthday is it?
9.
Yours? How old are you, Tadeo?
9.
You're 9. And what's your birthday theme?
Pistons.
The Pistons? What is it, Miranda? What did are you 1? Is Bro 1? Yeah? Okay. Here's our happy birthday sign.
I know it's good if I'm alone, I got it, I gotta go, running to better times, go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. To better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go.
Okay. Are you gonna go? Whee! Yay! That's so fun. Yeah, more? Okay, one more. And then we're gonna go in because Tadeo's gonna have a surprise.
Did you see?
What?
I'm backing too low.
You were? I missed it. I'm watching you and her, okay? Here we go! Whee! Was that fun? He's got skills today. Oh, I missed it. Oh, Almost had it. Almost had it. Let me see those 2 bouncings. Let me see you bouncing too. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What happened? Something. There you go. There you go. Ooh, skills. Just a second. Just a minute, baby.
Never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I move on. I got it. I gotta go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions. I'll go, running to better times, 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 to better times.
Tadeo, I just wanted to send you this video, wish you happy birthday. I appreciate you for watching some of my games. Your dad has sent me pictures of you in my jersey, so I really appreciate that a lot. It means a lot to me. Me and your dad, we were best friends growing up back in the day. And I hope one day I can meet you and we can hang out, and I'll definitely have some Pistons gear for you, some shirts, shorts, whatever you want, man. But again, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day today.
Oh.
Sugar, watch it from right here.
Okay.
Careful with the cake.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tadeo. Happy birthday to you. Did you make a wish?
That's like 50 years, 60 years.
Yay! Woo! Oh, is that too pretty of a
Hey,
cake?
someone calling Dad's
Do you
name.
remember?
Yes,
Last year, you saw the videos from last year?
yes, I do remember.
He put his face in the whole cake.
Yeah, I think he's. I think he's too.
You don't even have to put it.
To better times, to better times, to better times. I look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions. I'll go, running to better times, 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 to better times. Our eyes are closed when we start this loop on repeat. Hear my chest, how it beats when you put your hands on me. Time goes fast, but yet so slow. I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go. 'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need is you. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves out from the world we're lost. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves out from the world we're lost.
So then there's the aftermath. The next day after a party where everything is just left till the next day. This isn't bad. I mean, we did all paper plates, so it's not like it's a lot of dishes, but we just got all kinds of things through here. I couldn't go to bed with it the way it was last night. It was just full of toys on the floor. But then we've got all the garbage, you know, and the leftover foods and all the balloons. But it was a good time had, and so I think it was definitely a good time, and he loved it, so that's all that matters. So, you know what, Tadeo's birthday was so much fun, and I'm so glad we were able to have it here. We kind of went back and forth last minute, you know, of what we were doing because they actually moved during this weekend. So it was kind of one of those things we just weren't sure what we were going to do, but I'm super glad we did. We all had such a great time, and just his reaction to our friend's video message was just so sweet, and he just really had a good time. So I hope I gave you some fun, you know, examples of how to, you know, the biggest thing I think with any kind of party or celebration is just celebrate that person, everything they love, you know, come up with a theme. The theme is, you know, is key, and even if it's just a small family thing, just having, you know, all the things that they're into or that they love, you know, going a little bit extra, you know, getting, you know, like this sign behind me that was, you know, personalized with his name and his age and stuff that he can put up in his room. I'm gonna send over these the basketball so he can put in his room too. You know, just make that day so special for that person. I think that's the biggest key. And whether it's a promotion or it's a graduation or it's a birthday or anything, you know, I just love to celebrate because I think that is the key to life. Just celebrate every milestone, and every birthday is a blessing, right? And every milestone is a blessing. So celebrate it up and have a great time. And I hope I was able to give you, you know, some inspiration of you know, how you can do your parties. Oh, Jesse Aaron is just out there just checking out the couch. Seeing if he's got any goodies stuck in the cushions is probably what he's doing. And I just hope that, you know, you enjoyed this and you enjoyed how we celebrate and this sweet little boy, and I just hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!